In this video, I'd like to share 10 principles for professional AI prompting. These principles are not tied to any particular AI tool. Whether you use ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Claude, or another platform, the same fundamentals apply. Before we begin, let me briefly explain what generative AI and AI prompting are. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new content such as text, images, audio, video, or computer code in response to user instructions. Those user instructions are called prompts. There is another related term, prompt engineering. It has a slightly different meaning, so it is useful to clarify it here. Prompting is the act of writing instructions or questions for an AI. Prompt engineering is the systematic practice of designing, testing, refining, and optimizing prompts to consistently achieve high-quality outputs. The first principle is that human judgment remains essential. AI is a powerful assistant, but it still needs human guidance and judgment. In fact, most AI failures are not caused by poor technology, they are caused by unrealistic expectations. AI can assist us, but it cannot replace our responsibility. The second principle is that better instructions produce better results. The quality of an AI response depends largely on the quality of the instructions we provide. In fact, the most effective AI users spend less time writing new prompts and more time improving existing ones. Third, context is the difference. AI performs best when it understands our situation, not just our question. A useful way to think about this is that AI tools are smarter than many people think, but they are not mind readers. The fourth principle is trust, but verify. Trust AI enough to assist your work, but never enough to replace your judgment. That means verification is not about proving AI wrong, it is about using its output responsibly and with confidence. Fifth, responsibility comes first. Effective AI use is not only about obtaining better answers, it is also about using AI safely, ethically, and responsibly. Another important point is that the greatest AI risk is often not the technology itself, it is the way people choose to use it. The sixth principle is that AI should amplify human capability. Its greatest value is not replacing our work, but helping us think, create, and solve problems more effectively. In other words, the best AI users do not ask AI to think for them, they ask AI to help them think better. Seventh, automate repetition, not judgment. AI is excellent for repetitive and predictable tasks. Practically speaking, the best candidates for automation are tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and easy to verify, while important decisions should always remain with people. The eighth principle is to select the right tool. The best AI tool is the one that best fits your task, not necessarily the most popular one. That is why we should master prompting, not platforms. Ninth, build better processes. Professionals do not rely on memory, they rely on good processes. Ultimately, the quality of AI results depends less on the tool you choose and more on the process you follow. Finally, the 10th principle brings everything together with one simple rule. Think clearly. Prompt effectively. Verify carefully. If you remember these three ideas, you will already be using AI more professionally than many users today.